Hello dear viewers, welcome back. So in today's video we are going to see how you can be able to use AL programming language. So AL programming language is used for data and it's used in data science. So I'm learning it and I thought we should practice together. So in this video I wanted we learn how you can be able to install AL on your machine. I have it already. You can see it. I have it here. This is the AL programming language. So I'll show you how to install it. Then I'll be able to show you a website which you can use and you don't need to install anything on your machine. So that's what we are doing in today's video. And also I'll show you why AL is winning, and I'll show you the trick that makes AL to win in this battle of data science. So the first you need to do is to install AL. You need to go to your Google browser and then search for AL. Then you go to this website, www.alprogramminglanguage. Then there are many sites you can be able to download AL. To make it easier, maybe line AL programming language, then download. So you can use this website clan.al project. Then you choose the operating system you use, but for me I used postit.com. So you go to this website, then here at the bottom we have for Mac OS, and you can able to download, but we have two version. One, you have to download AL, then you have to install AL Studio. So let me to download AL, you will have it like this on your machine, and it can be able to do like whatever any programming language can do. Like, so I have here I have Node.js. It can be able to do what Node.js does. So you can see it can be able to do what Node does. So AL is just a programming language, but enable for us now to write code and save it, we need to have Studio. So let me close this. We need a Studio, and you will download it here. So you install the language, then you install the Studio. Studio looks like this. And before we do the Studio, I'll show you a website that you'll be able to use if you don't want to install anything. So you will use cs50.dev. So cs50 is a program that teaches everything about introduction to computer science. So they have their a website where you can go and launch a computer which is already installed with C, AL, and many others. So you log in with your GitHub. So it's called cs50.dev. A very simple word to remember. So you log in with your GitHub, and then given a computer for free to use. So let's hit setup and see what we have. So this is I did these lives a long time ago. But there, I think the lives are helpful. You learn a lot of. You learn. You like when you're teaching, you learn. So you can see the environment is setting up. So it's based on GitHub code spaces, and I somehow I did a video on that. So it's already on the channel. On the live session, I did it on the live session. So yeah, I did 2 videos on code spaces. So let's check. It is still setting up. And the good thing about it is connected to your GitHub. It is able to save code in your GitHub. The way I like it is because after some few years I'll come and check whatever I was running, and I will see that history. So it's connected here. Code 50. This is what I have in that machine, and it's stored in my GitHub. So I did some AL exercises. This is what the AL language look like. So in the next video we can do like some few exercises, how to print, or before the website is set up, maybe we can do one on my machine. So you can be able like to write a hello world using AL, then you press enter. You can see we have hello world. You can write a number, print. Then there's something that is different with AL. Maybe you want to assign a variable, say the way we do, like x is equals to hello world. Let's print, and then you see it have an error. Then we press enter. Then to print it, we press we write x, then we press enter. That is how we assign variable. But the good way to assign it, you use less than, then a dash, then you write the variable. So that is how you can be able to write to assign a variable in AL. Then there is something that I talked about, the trick that makes AL programming to win. It is you can be able to like to vectorize your data, and to vectorize your data you use something called a collection, such that you can write people's name or just number. Let's use number. Like you can be able to use the vector form if you have done like something to do with AI. You know, we have like vector databases, and they help AI to avoid hallucination and to get information faster. So I think they got the idea from this R programming language. So that is how you can assign. And this C means a collection. So this is a collection of numbers. So in order to print it, okay, it's x1. So x1, you can see we are printing the numbers, and you can even be able to do like to add each number, like to what we do, like a personalization of each number. Now you can see you can be able to add 5 to each and every number. So this gives it gives data scientists a lot of power when they can like individualize every database, every data item. So that is how AL works. So now our CS50 has run, and I wanted to show you AL Studio. So when it loads, it has a VS Code. Then if you press CS50, you have here AL Studio. So if you press it, sometimes it takes time. It takes time to load. But you can see this is what I'm saying. If you are learning any programming language, you can just use this server to learn, and your code will stay here. Let me check. It's taking too much time, but I'll show you in the next video. So that is how you can see like the benefit of AL, how to install it. Then the next we have like done the benefit, how to install it. So in the next video I'll show you how AL Studio looks like. I will load it before I start the video. So till next time.